Riding adventure motorcycles with good buddies out in God's creation is more than a hobby. It's a shared experience that feeds the soul. As the miles roll by, worries fade into the background, replaced by the rhythm of the trail and the beauty of the world that God designed. Mountains, forests, deserts, and valleys become a living reminder of His creativity and His power. And riding through them together deepens a sense of gratitude that's hard to find anywhere else.